But morning time is good to place trade. Also, we have 4 seconds. We have 4 seconds to go. Because we have European session in the morning, European and London session. Market moves early morning too. So we have 4 seconds. The system is loading now. So we want to see what's going to be the outcome. Oh, an increase. Sorry? Oh, yeah. We have 5.2 million the increase. Oh, wow. So that means the market relatively may drop a little bit. The market relatively may drop a little bit. How many of you are holding by? So that means you guys are not holding by. At what price? $65 trillion, 63.5. Oh, you're holding to buy 65. That means above here. 65 trillion. That's okay, just within this area. Okay. Put a SL here. Possibly. It may put a SL around 59.50. Yeah. Or high as 59.40. So do you know why? Because if this continue, like let's say this sell continue, so the market may have a relatively sharp drop between this current price now, maybe to that the area of the stop loss. It may even drop to 58. You know what I mean? Yeah. So the market may drop like relatively to that level, but you know the trading rules. So you cannot just be 100% certain of the market. So in some of the situation, you will have to, and in some of the situation, we just have to maintain the market rules. There's no chances that it will definitely gonna there's no chances that it's definitely gonna drop, but that area is also potentially a mini support level area. You know what I mean? But it may have a sharp drop in the future because I use supply and demand a lot in trading. So it may have a sharp drop in the future because I use supply and demand a lot in trading. So I don't joke with it, especially when the figures are high. Yeah, when the figures are high, I don't joke with supply and demand. Like a 5.4, 5.2 million barrel. I don't joke with supply and demand ratio a lot. Who have followed me here for more than a year or 6 months plus? Who has followed me here for more than a year or 6 months plus? So all of you are new. Oh, I thought Cynthia, are you up to 1 year here? But probably she's at work. So you know that my report on my analysis on oil, I deal on demand and supply metrics a lot. So most likely it may drop a bit. Most likely it may drop a bit, but the buyers still have a very long road to play in the market. It may drop a bit. It's actually huge, but technically it's not. Fundamentally, it's not really impacting as I expected. Because 5.2 million is actually a very huge. Let me check it on a small time frames. 4 hours. Oh, 4 hours is here. 4 hours market. Wow. 4 hours market is actually saying a different thing technically. Yeah, 4 hours market. This is 1 hour market. 1 hour market is saying something different thing altogether technically. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Can you interpret that? Oh, so these people are not really following me up as expected. Um, can you interpret that, please? Yeah, yeah. So that's something we consider so much in trading. When we see analysis, we try to look for more than one thing. You know what I mean? Like we try to know where the price is. Like I used to tell you, if the price of oil is down and there are more supply at a lower price, that's me. I may not like to sell because the price is already down. But if the price is high and there are more supply, I most likely want to sell. Do you understand? So we try to consider some factors. So what I would say, it may drop or it's actually dropping, but the bearish may not be as strong as we may think. That there may be a very potentiality of the market like shooting up because for the fact that you have more supply, if there are people to buy off that supply, it doesn't count. You know what I mean? If there are people to buy the supply, it does not count. I want to refresh the news to see what the news is talking about. So there's no strong news coming up to support it. Um, so what I'm saying is says our buy analysis is still very active despite that there are more supply. That's my own concern. But those of you that are selling, endeavor to leave maybe around 58 or 57. But so if you are buying, I won't ask you to close it because you don't really trust the market 100%. Market can change direction at any time. Do you understand? So if you are buying, I won't ask you to close it. I won't. It does not make sense closing it. You look as if you are speculating. There are factors that could push it or factor under part. This is the same way factors could push the price down. If you check very well, about 2 or 3 hours ago, the market was bullish. So these are speculating on a short movement because it's not possible to be capturing all the movement. It's not really possible. You have to stick in one particular place until you make profit. Is that all right? Who else want to scale in trading? Scale, no scale. I want to see you guys managing big account or like trading like couple of thousands of dollars. So do you guys have communities like no? That's the first thing. That's the first thing to build. Cause in business has to do with networking. You know what I mean? I'm talking based on experience. The money I trade, some people I trade is because of they have followed me for a long time. They have network with me. So anytime they want to do business, they say, okay, go and meet this guy. Do you understand? So it's rare for somebody who doesn't know you for the first time, have not many talk with you, either physically or online, to start doing business with you, especially when it comes to do with money. Unless if the person want to buy a product, he go to Amazon and buy them. He doesn't have to know the merchant personally. So the first step in building a strong network, in building scaling up your trade is to start building network, build community. Check all the big traders you see in the whole world. If you check them, they have a community. In fact, I will even say I'm one of the lowest in the that has firm in trading industry that has more community. But I know my reason because I work mostly with brokers. It is this day that I'm trying to build personal community. So first of all, you have to build a community. That's the first thing. If you're alone, you can hardly scale. You need to scale with people. Do you understand? Yeah, build a community. Let people know this is who you are. Build a community of traders, build a community of clients. So now that's how it works. It may even be the middleman why you work with the other team of traders at the same time. So you cannot just work as work alone, depending on the model of operation you are using. When people know that you're a trader, then it's easier for you to scale in doing business with them than when they don't even know anything about your activities online, apart from the one they know. Maybe you're the nurse or you're a doctor or you're something. Do you understand? So back to gold. Gold is giving us happiness. I don't know if you're watching my screen anywhere you are. So God is giving us happiness. So we are doing well on gold. No, remember this streaming is targeting on gold and oil. So there's nothing else. We're gonna the expectation of $8,000 profit could be possible on gold. Yeah, because we're expecting gold to get to this amount. We're expecting it to reach. Um, Let me put it on green. We're expecting it to get to this price or this price. So if you've been buying gold now with us, so it should be on profit. It should be on profit. But if you're not, maybe it's not our fault. Some of you are very quiet today. I'm sure you have not made profit this month, this week. That's why you're quiet. Oh, you made profit. Oh, but you guys are all quiet. Yeah, you can make profit on anyway. Okay, you bought the gold and make profit, or you sold. Oh, okay, you cash out. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, you are not made profit this week. No, all you did well last week. It's you guys that did not act as. This is where the price of oil is. We are last week. It was so down. It was here. We started buying from here. You guys didn't buy on time. You bought from here. You bought around 60. So our first target on oil will give us to 1,000 something pips together with the Brent crude. So you guys didn't buy oil on time. I can bet you that. Yeah, you didn't buy oil on time. So now you see why I said you should hold on your oil, because even as the inventory report comes out, it's not really pushing as expected on side of sell. So most likely it's pushing strongly on the buy. So I want to check if there's any breaking news that could support our analysis. So now what I'm saying in essence is this: our this profit target of 10,000 is still valid in case you still want to work on it. Good for you. Check our page. You see our website. You can join us, and we show you how we do our thing. Then see, as you can see, it has even turned to bullish. Mm. And this one has turned to bullish. It was bearish before, and this one continue to rise. I think we have analysis here, but we're not commenting on that too. Yeah, today. Yeah. So let me start taking your question because we have about 8 minutes to go. For those of you that are connected here, we have about 8 minutes to go. I supposed to playing some live music for you. So after now, that's something I will share with you on Euro USD. To be checking our Telegram, be there. I will share it with you on Euro USD. I will share it with you after now. Make sure you check our Telegram. And yeah, for those of you that are busy that are working, I will still share it with them so that they can be able to follow up. You know what I mean? To make money is not easy. You just have to work hard. Yeah, you see what we do here. I'm also making more money. It's not easy. So I'm looking for people who could work with. That's why I'm asking if you have a community. We could work together with on a lot of things. But they cannot work if you don't have a strong community. You need to have a community. Do you understand? So those of you that we have trained for a couple of months now should have been able to understand the metrics. So well, you have to join us so that we can make money together. They can start you need to know community of clients, community of investors who will most likely invest in the financial market. You could start building it on Telegram or build it on Instagram or you build it on anywhere. People need to know that this is what you do, that you have a product you could offer. That's what we call community. The way we are building community on Telegram, we build community on YouTube. Yeah. A community is not issue of followers because you may have 10,000 followers that are mostly useless. Why only one person, one good person can put the kind of money you're looking for trading. Only one person, the money will come from him. Why your YouTube page or your Telegram page is showing 10,000 followers that cannot even like pull up. Mhm. No, no, nothing like convince. I'm trying to tell you how business works. You have to start building up yourself. So you have to start building up yourself from there. You start growing. You cannot be convinced from up. You have to be convinced from the down. You know what I mean? So when you keep building up yourself, in fact, what investors look for is track record. They will check you. They will check you when you started either from the hood. You started trading with your iPhone, with maybe your small phone. So you started doing it from your local place. From there, that's what people check. It's not where you fall from nowhere. They see you inside the car. You say you're a trader. How? Explain to us how you get the car. You know what I mean? Like it's not like people want to see like consistency. They'll say, okay, this guy started from here to here. That's what people look out for. So it can start community of three people before you know what's happening. You get to 10%. Before you know what's happening, your community grow to 20, 30, 40, 100, 1,000, you know. So you keep building your community. Mm. It's important if you want to scale in any business, not just trading, you need to have a community. If you don't have a community, you can hardly scale because people do business from people they know and people they are comfortable with. Yeah. So, all right, we are still on the live market as I speak to you guys. So, the inventory report dropped about 5 million barrel, and we already been buying on oil. We are buying. We're expecting about $10,000 profit on WTI and Brent crude. Then we're also buying on gold. We're expecting about $8,000 profit on gold. So, in case you are just seeing us here, new, this is may look like weird. It may look weird. It may look too real to be true for you because you know nothing about what we know. So you can join our Telegram. We check around this video. You see our Telegram group. Then you can also check our WhatsApp. Our website is on this screen. Our website. You can contact our website if you want to learn our strategies, how we work, and how we can what we do can benefit you. Then you can join us. And if you're watching us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and you'll be getting value. But it's better you relate with us. Let us know you, who we are, and how we can help you. We are one of the place you can. We are the only place you can stay without losing your capital, because we have a strategy that allow you to hedge your asset classes with physical gold, so you can have it diversified into different market structures. We are not just trading on figures. We are not trading on the real deal, and we are expecting to expand more as we progress. Yeah, only our hedges instrument has gained more than 50% this year without you trading. It's just growing. Yeah, because we hedge on gold, real gold. Then we trade on gold futures. We trade on commodity futures and derivative. Then we trade on forex, popular the one you know, forex trading, forex currency trading. Then we trade on that one. Then we don't trade on stock because we don't have much capacity on investors there. That's equity market, and we don't trade on crypto. Yeah, but we hope to expand on those areas. Then we also work with brokers that are very more sophisticated that could give you exactly what you want. So we have a very precise analysis that gained more than 80%. Some people say it's 99%. That man is not here today. He always said that my analysis is 99% because he's been trading it with his own broker. I think he's in Canada and they are perfectly doing well. So I wish you guys all the best. Because we are actually at work. As you can see my background, I'm at work. I just left the office zone so I won't disturb the staff, so they can be able to concentrate while I connect with you. It is me and you here. I connect with you and they give you the value that you need. So you look around our video, make sure you join us next time. You join us next time. Yeah, I wish you guys all the best. All the best. So those on the Zoom, I have to let you guys go now so that you can go back to work. Is that all right? So if you have any question, you can be able to ask me. Blessing, Nkechi Wona, maybe if you could just ask us the question on WhatsApp now. Even if you're at work, we can be able to assist you. I'm so sorry I call your name because I'm already streaming, but I'm sure nobody will know it's you. So you can ask us the question, we'll be able to assist you, okay? Yeah, so have a very good evening, all of you. Okay.